Hello friends, Xiaomi has rolled out the March security update for all the MiA1 devices. In this video, I will show you what are the features in this update and how to get this. So without further wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see here, my device is MiA1 and I have received the update. The update is 440 MB and it will include the March security update. So if you haven't got this update yet, you can go to the settings, and in settings you can go to apps and notifications. So once you go to apps and notification, you have to click on app info. So in app info you have to scroll down and find out Google Play services. So once you find Google Play services, you just need to tap on it. So once you open up Google Play services, scroll to the bottom and click on open in Play Store, or you will get the option to open that in Play Store when you scroll down. So once you open the app in Play Store, you will see something called beta tester. You have to join the application as a beta tester. So it will take at least like 20 to 30 minutes for you to being a beta tester. So once you be a beta tester, you then just go to the updater app and check for the update. You will definitely get this update. So coming to the update, it is just a security and a bug fix update. There is no noticeable UI change, and we are still with Android 8.0 and we haven't got the 8.1 update yet. So hopefully with this update, I think the battery drain issue will be resolved. I will have to test it for 1 or 2 days to conclude whether it is completely resolved or not. I will make a dedicated video of that. So that's it guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.